Construction sites can be hazardous places if safety protocols are not followed. Hello viewers, and welcome to this video on maximizing safety on your construction site. Strategies and best practices. Construction sites can be dangerous places if safety measures are not taken seriously. Every year, thousands of construction workers are injured or even killed on the job. But with the right strategies and best practices, you can minimize these risks and ensure maximum safety on your construction site. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By implementing these measures, you can maximize safety on your construction site and ensure that everyone goes home safely at the end of each day. Construction site dangers. Construction sites are full of potential danger, from heavy machinery to hazardous materials. Falls are the leading cause of death on construction sites, often caused by working at heights without proper safety measures in place. Workers can also suffer injuries or fatalities from being struck by objects or caught in between equipment. Electrical hazards pose another risk on construction sites, with live wires and exposed electrical parts that could lead to serious injury or electrocution. The use of scaffolding is common on many construction projects, but if not erected properly, it can collapse and cause severe injuries. Additionally, workers may be exposed to harmful chemicals such as asbestos or silica dust, which can lead to long-term health complications like lung disease. Noise pollution is another concern for employees, as constant exposure to loud noise levels can result in hearing loss over time. It's important for everyone involved in a construction project to be aware of these dangers and take appropriate steps towards prevention. Employers should provide regular training sessions and enforce strict safety protocols, while workers must adhere strictly to all guidelines set out for them. Common injuries on construction sites. Construction sites are notoriously dangerous places, with hazards and potential accidents lurking around every corner. Workers on construction sites must be extra cautious to avoid injury or worse. One common type of injury that occurs on construction sites is falls. Workers may fall from elevated areas like scaffolding or ladders, leading to serious injuries such as broken bones or head trauma. Another frequent type of construction site injury is being struck by an object. This can occur when heavy machinery moves materials overhead, causing debris to fall and hit workers below. Injuries caused by electrical hazards are also a concern on construction sites. Electrical shocks can cause burns, cardiac arrest, and even death in some cases. Machinery-related accidents are another common cause of injuries on construction sites. Heavy equipment like cranes and bulldozers pose significant risks if not operated correctly or maintained properly. Overexertion injuries resulting from lifting heavy objects or performing repetitive motions can also occur on construction sites. These types of injuries often result in long-term pain and discomfort for workers who suffer them. It's clear that working on a construction site comes with inherent dangers that require careful attention to safety protocols at all times. By understanding the most common types of injuries that occur on these job sites, employers can take steps to minimize the risks their employees face each day at work. How to prevent accidents on construction sites. Preventing accidents on construction sites is crucial for maintaining a safe work environment. Construction site managers must be proactive in identifying potential hazards and implementing measures to reduce the risk of accidents. One way to prevent accidents is by conducting regular safety inspections of the construction site. This can help identify any potential hazards such as exposed electrical wires, trip hazards, or unstable scaffolding. Another effective strategy is to establish clear communication channels between workers and management. Workers should feel comfortable reporting any unsafe conditions or behaviors they observe on the job. Implementing a comprehensive training program for all workers can also help prevent accidents. Training should cover proper use of tools and equipment, as well as how to handle hazardous materials safely. Additionally, it's important to ensure that all equipment used on the construction site is regularly inspected and properly maintained. Faulty machinery can cause serious injuries if not addressed promptly. By prioritizing safety at every stage of the construction process, you can significantly reduce the risk of workplace accidents and create a safer working environment for everyone involved in your project. Safety training for construction workers. Safety training is an essential aspect of construction site safety, and it should be a priority for all construction workers. Proper safety training can help prevent accidents and injuries on the job site, making it a safer environment for everyone involved. One of the best ways to provide safety training is through regular safety meetings. These meetings are an opportunity to discuss potential hazards and how workers can stay safe while performing their jobs. It's also an excellent time to review emergency procedures, which can save lives in case of unexpected events. Another important part of safety training is ensuring that workers know how to use equipment properly. Construction sites often involve complex machinery and tools that require specific knowledge and skills to operate safely. Therefore, providing hands-on training with these tools is crucial. Additionally, supervisors should ensure that new hires receive thorough induction programs covering workplace health and safety policies relevant to their work tasks. Regular refresher courses may also be necessary as regulations change or when new equipment enters the job site. Investing in proper safety training for construction workers is vital in creating a safe working environment where accidents are minimized while productivity thrives. Personal protective equipment for construction workers. Personal protective equipment, PPE, is a critical aspect of ensuring construction site safety. PPE refers to clothing, helmets, goggles, gloves, and other equipment that workers wear to protect themselves from injury or harm. One important type of PPE for construction workers is hard hats. These protect against head injuries from falling objects, bumps, and electrical hazards. Workers should always wear the appropriate type of hard hat based on their job duties. Eye protection is also essential in preventing eye injuries from flying debris or harmful exposure to chemicals. Safety glasses with side shields or goggles should be worn at all times on a construction site. Hand protection can prevent cuts, punctures, and burns when handling hazardous materials or using tools such as saws or drills. Gloves made specifically for these tasks offer more effective protection than general work gloves. Proper footwear is crucial in avoiding slips and falls on slippery surfaces and protecting toes against heavy objects dropped on them. Steel-toed boots are recommended for most job sites. Finally, safety on your construction site is an ongoing process. Regular safety audits and inspections should be conducted to identify potential hazards and areas for improvement. It's also important to encourage workers to report any safety concerns or incidents, so they can be addressed promptly. In sum, the right PPE can significantly reduce the risk of injury at a construction site, but only if it's used properly by every worker every day they're working there. Conclusion: safety should always be a top priority on construction sites. By implementing the strategies and best practices outlined in this article, you can help prevent accidents and injuries from occurring. Remember to conduct regular safety training for your workers, provide them with personal protective equipment, and prioritize hazard identification and control. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.